How to create an alias or park a domain in cPanel.
Before parking a domain, you need to update the name server of your domain you want to park to your main domain name server. Parked domains or domain aliases make your website available from another domain name. Now let's learn how to park a domain.
Scroll down to the Domains section and click
Domains. Click the Create Domain button. Now enter the name of the domain you want to park in the input box.
Now click the Submit button.
That's it. We have successfully created the alias or parked the domain. See the created domain. Here it is.
Thank you for watching.